You know a
Morning,
peeps, you know
guys.
a part two,
Jamaican
this
are
and
the
this a
best
rice.
TV. I would just have a
Trace
jump
about a rice.
right in at the
No,
news. Yeah, man.
I don't
I'm
know
gonna
if
see
this
what I
is
go on for what I go
constitutional
on.
or it unconstitutional, but I want you people to look at this. Look at this. The government are installed camera in the prison. There it is. The camera, a video in a myself, straight in a myself. You understand? Me not have no right to privacy. Someone asks him to come, or if it is unconstitutional, or it is constitutional. If it is unconstitutional, or it is constitutional. Because officers have said it's constitutional, I mean, I think so. Because at the end of the day, if me I go ride the bike, me I go use the toilet, water watch me down head office. If me I go urine, water watch me down head office. If me I go phone sex my girl, water watch me at head office. If me I bathe, water watch me. That can be constitutional. If it's constitutional, why not in the water system bathroom? Why not in the super office? Why not in the water them restroom? Why your prisoner cell alone? It's a video. What kind of real man that want to sit down at head office and I watch a man in himself ride the bike, a beard, a phone sex him girl? What kind of real man that want to sit down on a camera and do that? So me ask in the common human rights, please if you can assist us to make you know if this a real something where they want to talk about, because this can't real. No matter what, even though my freedom being taken away, I have privacy. I have some sleep, right? That's some sleep, right? That's some bed, right? That's some use the toilet. So you say legal for a man to watch me 24/7. People out the road, them say I go and monitor the camera. Eh? And them say them can't fight people out the road for monitor Jamaica Eye. But just because of 300 and odd million them claims that they must spend 300 and odd million people all empty cell camera there, the amount of camera there for one block alone. You want there for some Jamaica most notorious. When Mr. Notorious, we mean notorious. They on the block. Millions of dollars them a make. And a really camera they want to put up for catch a killer. Because them say crime rate too high and you have to put up the camera in a prison for catch a killer. And it's all about the money. It's all about the money. I saw on the news other night, university student a demonstrate, protest, some man are grape them and I rob them. And it a go leave to unalive. And they don't see it fit to protect the university student them. Why not put up the camera up at you all about? So if a man jump the fence, he go rob or rape the girl, them somebody pick it up on the monitor. Have people and monitor the computer them or the camera. That means if a man jump the fence, it see him. Eh? Why not put that up at your way so the children them can feel safe and them can feel safe to walk around a Mary Seacole and then can walk around a Amity Hall or then can walk go breeze out because you know more time up the cool and then go cool out themselves. The picnic them can go outside. How can people pay so much money for tuition fee and I live a hazardous life on a government compound? Because government responds to you, you know. No government depending them pay the tuition fee. And yet still them not safe. Me can't see through this. Honestly, me can't see through this. When I think about putting up camera, 5 years now we are complaining about the water hose. We now have steady water run up here. We have to go and other inmate block the bath. And yet still them see it fit to put camera in the prisoner murder now go on. Go on to the stop sign them where the stop light them there. Put camera every slow down where a vehicle have to slow down. Put camera upon every stoplight and every light post we have a stop sign. That means they catch who are commit the wrong. Who are they there? Killing stop years ago, you know. So what I say, what kind of relevance in that for camera there in the prison? Camera can up on the block, yes, but not in a my cell. The camera do in a my cell, you're free to put camera up on the block. But in a my cell, that can't constitutional. That cannot be constitutional. You understand? So the camera put up there and not one water get contract. So you know it's all about them and them friend and make money. Why them never give water the contract? Not even the water them not care about. They never go care about we as inmate. Eh? No, I want people I want to not to listen to this. This is parole. This has to do with parole board. When you write up for parole, you just see a letter come back say you're not fit for parole, but them right. Because you don't have no program in the prison. Because them weaponize your farm. Them are the European Union people, them weaponize your farm pan way. So we now bow out. You understand? I want you to listen to this. You have an inmate by the name of Orion Baldi, aka Dubby. Me and Dubby forward a prison around the same time. In the mid-90s there. Dubby got 20 years before parole. I received death sentence. I went to death row. Dubby there from prison to prison. Anyway, Dubby took the time. Orion Baldi took the time to educate himself. Orion Baldi go school. He graduate. Orion Baldi end up turn a teacher. Orion Baldi end up become a counselor. Orion Baldi took him test at UWI. Graduate with degree. Honor. You understand? Graduate with degree and honor and pursuing him bachelor. You understand? Him graduated with honor. You understand? And pursuing him bachelor. And he signed up for parole. And they turned him down, saying not eligible for parole. And the witness in that case, sent a statement come, say Orion Baldi fit for society now and serve him time, and she is in no fear of him. That alone should have made that young man free. But the Deputy Commissioner Joy Stone, who she have something personal against, suffer. You say, me? Where she can threaten? Because I'm telling the people, this could be a dying declaration, you know. This could be a dying declaration because the Deputy Commissioner threatened me. And I don't do a video and give my sister and tell her, say, when me dead, I don't want a ball talk about gone too soon. Just put that on the shirt, DOT, die on time. And you see the RIP part, just put RI double rest in war. Because I want thing me sure say, that ground here where the whole of we are walk on, I'm going to be one of the roof, all of the roof one day. That ground here where we are walk on, I'm going to be all of the roof one day. And my stone, all the dead them are going to represent for you now do the right thing. You hear that? Just believe that. Yeah. So we want to know why man we kill people in the prison get parole and Orion Baldi cannot get parole. Shot back. Parole was given to him and check him history. If he's not unalive more than one man in the prison. Big or blacks. Parole was given to him. Check him history. Him unalive man in the prison. And I can go on and on. Orion Baldi never hurt a man in the prison. But yet still he's been denied of parole. Eh? Someone asked me Stone this. Are you it is them that you give parole? Or the person them where your friend recommended? And that I want to know. Are you it is them? Or are your friend them but them recommend? Because I can't situate. Prisoner just there eat taxpayer money. Look at Dyke Road one the bushing. Dyke Road one the bushing and do nothing. Prisoner just there eat taxpayer money and lie to the public. Should now make millions off a prisoner. And they just continue to lie to the public. Prisoner need reform. Prisoner need work in the prison. I'm glad to see when Miss Scott forward you do. I like mother Andy, big up yourself. Father Andy, anyway you big up yourself too, you know, a straight respect, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. Something have to be done. Because camera can't decrease crime and in a prison you put it. Because all you have is that you don't hear say a prison it come from. Then when you don't hear say it come from foreign, you don't send camera go foreign. Then when you don't hear say it come from across the road or country or Kingston or town, you don't send camera go down there. People them not care who want get unalive because we don't know them friend and we don't know them family. You understand? A crocodile eat crocodile. I want him more to realize that the whole of their prison except the government and the private sector and them friends and them alone are their prison. And I just want to say big up to Mr. Mason. Mr. Mason, I don't know how we set a prisoner talk to you and tell us them tired of the chicken foot and them things about my boss. Like I tell you this, Mr. Mason. We want our chicken foot soup. Me and other inmate, we need our chicken foot soup on Saturday, my boss. Because the beef here we are come in prison, my boss, when you season it up in the morning and you go feed it in the evening, it's full of color like it a TV. So please go back with chicken foot soup and with chicken foot stew peas. I want rice in.